The City of Long Beach is a leader in innovation and government transparency, and in an effort to improve our residents' access to information, a series of 3 open data forums were held to enlist the public's help in building new policies. A panel of 4 experts engaged the community in a discussion of how best to increase the quality of information available.
The city collects a lot of information, and the question goes to, what do you do with that information? Who owns that information? We want to put it out to the public so that they can use it. Could they create applications for it? Can they find new efficiencies for the city to operate in? It's just a way for us to be able to share information that we believe our community and residents own.
Open data is government data that can be freely used, modified, and shared by anyone for any purpose. One of the key goals is to provide more continuous and up-to-date streams of data so that residents and business owners will conduct research, find solutions to challenges, and make our city a better place.
People use this data for all sorts of things, from creating a mobile application to getting more information about what government does for them. One popular example is financial data. So if you want to see what the city is spending and how, you can go and download it.
So it'll be in a spreadsheet. You can see all of the transactions, everything they've spent money on. You can see if, they have 20 contracts with one person and 5 with another. And it just makes all of that stuff really easy to see. And it's also about releasing it in a timely fashion. So making sure that it's, regularly updated and released, not just once a year.
Long Beach is currently developing its own open source tool to share data, which will be customizable to the specific needs of residents.
That's something I think that other cities just push out information, and we're saying, no, you tell us, we'll gladly work on that and get that information out there, and I think that puts Long Beach in a different area than other cities.
For the latest on the city's innovation efforts, visit longbeach.gov/iteam.